Good morning, everyone. Anthony, Wall Street Trader, 11:42 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on January 5th, 2022. This is not financial advice. This is educational. Click the subscribe, share the video, click the thumbs up. Here to talk about Chainlink. And man, what a ride this thing's going on. And we know where it could be going. We have to worry about getting over the yellow line. And we've talked about this 1,000 times, which is Link US dollar is really driven by two underlying cofactors. One is Link Bitcoin. The other one is Bitcoin itself. So this is the Link US dollar chart right now. We certainly cleared this area of resistance, which wasn't really much. Look, a little bit of a bounce off of here, but certainly slung straight up to a high of around 27.79. Bounce pulled back to 26.81. We have current support at 23 and change. With resistance right now sitting around 28. So clearly we didn't get past that. But let's go take a look at one of the two cofactors or one of the two inputs into what makes up the Link US dollar. The first one is Link Bitcoin. And Link Bitcoin clearly cleared this giant triangle here. And we were talking about something that happened over the next few weeks. We were talking about it on the very last video I did less than 2 days ago. And now here we are. And if we can get and crack above 6,700, as we mentioned on the video, or a little higher than that, then this thing is off to the races. Well, right now we're at 57.75 on the Link to Bitcoin pair. And we do have support way down here around 5K. It's a 20% drop. If it does drop, you could see Link on its merry way back to 21. Now, I'm not saying that's going to happen. In fact, I'm pretty bullish on this pair overall. It's one of the top Web 3.0 cryptos out there. So make no mistake about it. This is a huge platform that circulates data and circulates information across a decentralized environment. It is the new internet, is Web 3.0. And this one sits right at the top of that stack. Okay, so in the meantime, what have we got? Bitcoin US dollar also starting to continue its cycling over. We're still consolidating. This is one of the more boring periods of time I've seen in Bitcoin. Really high up here at 52, low down here at 45.5. We continually wick down to 45.5, never below that, and we wind up bouncing back. We'll see what happens. I think the tax sales bit is over almost. We still have that 30-day period of time for the wash sale rules. I think that starts weaning off over the next week to 2 weeks. I think Bitcoin starts catching a real bid very soon. Bitcoin dominance right now also sitting all the way down here around 39.54. We hit a low of 39.33. Now, I think once we start catching that bid in Bitcoin, this thing's going to come up and possibly stabilize Link US dollar from its current blast off. But certainly, Bitcoin dominance going sideways is not stopping Link to Bitcoin whatsoever. Link to Bitcoin is up 12%. This is the big major cofactor that's driving the Link US dollar pair, whereas Bitcoin's doing very little to contribute. Anyway, that's all I've got right now. Link US dollar, 26.74. I think we're going to wind up hitting this thing at 28.15. The question is, can we get over it? Talk soon.